Today, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of one of our favorite drinks, orange carrot and ginger juice. Enjoy a nutritious blend of orange, carrot, and ginger juice to boost your immune system with essential vitamins and antioxidants. While consuming whole fruits is ideal for maximizing nutrient absorption, juicing can provide a concentrated dose of nutrients that is easier for the digestive system to process. Why is orange carrot and ginger juice good for you? This juice is rich in vitamin C and A, along with antioxidants. In addition to bolstering immune function, it aids in reducing inflammation and enhancing the body's ability to use fat as fuel. It promotes collagen production, which is beneficial for connective tissue health and helps safeguard eye and bone health. Oranges not only supply your body with essential vitamins and minerals but also contribute half a glass of water, 4 ounces, ensuring optimal hydration levels throughout the day. What you'll need. Orange. Oranges offer numerous health benefits and serve as a great source of vitamin C, thiamine, folate, and antioxidants. They contribute to boosting the immune system, promoting eye and skin health, alkalizing the body, reducing blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and lowering the risk of cancer. Carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They are associated with better eye health, reduced cholesterol, and possibly lower cancer risk. Ginger. Ginger is a natural antibacterial that helps prevent germs, combats disease, promotes oral health, reduces cholesterol, and decreases blood sugar levels. Additionally, ginger assists with digestion, alleviates nausea, and relieves muscle pain and arthritis. How to make orange carrot and ginger juice. Peel the oranges and ginger, and cut off the carrot ends. Take out the juicer, plug it in, and position a jug under the nozzle. Put the items in the feed, then turn on the juicer and use the pusher to press the fruit down. Reload the feed if it is empty and keep going until all the fruit is finished. Mix the juice in the pitcher and then pour 1 cup, 8 fluid ounces, into a glass. Enjoy it. Important tip: remember to peel the fruit before juicing for a tastier flavor. How to store and make ahead. This recipe yields approximately 5 servings. You can store the juice in the jug in the fridge for later in the day. The juice may separate, so remember to give it a stir before enjoying your next glass. For optimal nutrition, it's recommended to consume the juice within 12 to 24 hours of preparation. If the juice darkens, it's best to discard it and make a new batch. When producing a large amount of juice, transfer it into a plastic container and place it in the freezer. Remember to fill the bottle almost to the brim to allow space for expansion. Avoid storing it in the freezer for an extended period as the drink's nutritional quality diminishes over time. Thanks for joining us today to learn about the amazing health benefits of orange carrot and ginger juice. Now that you know how beneficial this juice can be for your health, why not give it a try? With its powerful combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, it's a delicious way to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, and support healthy skin. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this juice or if you have any other favorite healthy drinks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.